How to add local files to Spotify. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to add the local files. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. It's super easy. First of all, we need to open up the Spotify desktop application. It's easier there. So go ahead and open up the Spotify desktop and either open up the application or go to the browser and log in with your account if you're not logged in into your account. And once logged in, this is the following interface you'll be having. You can click on your profile picture or username in the top right and select settings from the given menu and open it up. Once opened, you can scroll to the section for your library and go ahead and find the option for import library and click on it. And this is where we can just go over and toggle the show local files on. And in order to get started, you can click on this option called get started and follow out the process. Under here, you can transfer your music to Spotify. So you can just go over and add up a source. You can either select it from your desktop. You can click on a file if you want to upload it from your own device. Click on it and you can choose up a file or drag it here. And it should be in these formats. These are the supported formats. You can upload it here. Once done, you can click on this option called OK and you should be able to move the playlist onto your device. And that's it. If you want to access it once it is uploaded, you can just go over and look out for your library option here. And a new playlist named local files will be available here containing all of your songs. You can just go over and see it here. And that's it. While doing so, you must make sure that the files have been added to desktop application and ensure both of the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network as well. And that should work out for you. You can just go and follow this process and you should be able to add the local files very easily. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.